cursive U. Little loop, big line down, bump, big line up, down, tail. Little loop, big line down, bump, big line up, down, tail. Lowercase u. So you can see here on the type style, it looks like there's a little tail in the front. And it's really just a little line down, bump, little line up, down, tail. Little line up, down, bump, up, down, tail. Now you can see why I remind you to dot your I's, because a U has the same shape as two I's put together. So little line down, bump, little line up, down, tail. Upper and lower case cursive U.